Hi friends, welcome to InfoPlus Club. First of all, thank you for your support for our first video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the district Kannur. Kannur district was established on 1st January 1957 and it is known as Theyyangalude Naadu. Theyyam is the performing art of Kannur. Naura was the old name of Kannur. According to 2011 census, the total population is 25.2 lakhs and the total area is 2,966 km square. Kannur is bounded on the north by Kasaragod district and the south by Kozhikode and Wayanad. Similarly, the eastern part is the Western Ghats and the western part is the Arabian Sea. And there are 5 taluks in Kannur: Taliparambu, Kannur, Talasheri, Iriti, Payyannur. Kannur is the most coastal district in Kerala and the largest cashew nut producing district in Kerala. India's biggest naval academy is located in Ezhimala, Kannur. And Kannur district has the largest mangrove forests in Kerala. Raja Samacharam, the first Malayalam newspaper, was published from Talasheri. The first municipality achieved the 100% primary education is Payyannur municipality and the first panchayat is Karivallur. When our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi visited in Kerala, he planted a mango tree at Payyannur in 1934. Payyannur also have a history to tell about freedom struggle. As a part of Salt Satyagraha in 1913, Kerala Gandhi K. Kelappan marched from Kozhikode to Payyannur with 16 volunteers and they held a Salt Satyagraha in Uliyattukadavu. Kannur University is located in Mangattuparambul. Academy of Medical Science, popularly known as Pariyara Medical College, is one of the biggest super specialty medical institutions in India. Kannur International Airport is the 4th international airport in Kerala. It is spread over 2,330 acres of land with runway length 3,050 meters. Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as Silent Valley of Kannur. Paidalmala is a hill station in Kannur district at a height of 1,372 meters above sea level. This is the highest geographic peak in Kannur. It has become a favorite spot for tourists, photographs and trekkers. Palshi Dam. The water from this dam also meet the drinking water requirement of Kannur district. The dam site and the reservoir are famous for their scenic beauty. There are 7 rivers in Kannur. In this, Valapattanam river is the largest river in Kannur. It originates from the Brahmagiri hills at Karnataka. Valapattanam town is an old business center. Mahi river, or otherwise known as Mayyazhi river, originates from Western Ghats. M. Mukundan is a famous writer from Mayyazhi. One of his famous work named Mayyazhi Puzhayude Theerangalil describes about the political and social background of Mayyazhi. There were many kingdoms in Kerala. Among them, Arakkal kingdom that ruled in Kannur was the only Muslim kingdom. It was a great privilege to have the eldest person in this kingdom, both male or female, in power. Talasheri is known as Paris of Kerala and it is called as City of 3 Seas, Cricket, Circus and Cake. The home of Kerala cricket has been the Talasheri town and the town cricket club from Talasheri is the first cricket club in Kerala. Talasheri was the ideal place for Circus Academy and Keleri Kunnikannan from Talasheri, known as the father of Indian circus. Mambali Babu made first India's Christmas cake at Talasheri. There are two major forts in Kannur, St. Angelo Fort and Talasheri Fort. St. Angelo Fort, otherwise called as Kannur Fort. It is a fort facing Arabian Sea situated 3 km from Kannur city. It was built by D. Francisco de Almeida, and the Talasheri Fort was built by British East India Company in 18th century. Kannur district is the paddy seed producing district in Kerala. Paddy, coconut, pepper, cashew, tapioca, arecanut and rubber are their major agricultural products. Mulappilangad beach in Kannur is India's only driving beach and the biggest driving beach in Asia. The Payyambalam beach is a popular beach located near town of Kannur. This beach contains mortal remains of several famous personalities like Swadeshabhimani Ramakrishna Pillai, A.K. Gopalan and the former Chief Minister of Kerala, E.K. Nayanar. Rajeshwara Temple, Peralasheri Sri Subramanya Temple, Kuttiyur Mahadeva Temple are some major famous temples in Kannur. It's all about Kannur district. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can post it in the comment box. You will get more informative video from our channel, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.